Welcome to the quantum universe where only client information is required for remote health scanning and treatment. Just submit your personal information via email and receive a health report within hours. Required information that determines your quantum ID are name, gender, date of birth, blood type, address, phone. The equipment used is the best in the latest Metatron Hospital bioresonance system, which has been upgraded by Metatron Limited for remote health scanning and treatment. Metatron Remote scanning and treatments are great for busy moms, children and babies, stressed executives, people with mobility problems. The Metatron system applies the following therapies: elimination of viruses and bacteria, organotherapy, Bach therapy, metatherapy, phytotherapy, lithotherapy, acupuncture.